Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will teach you how to fix earphone work for music but not for call. For this, first of all, check the physical headphone or earphone. If your headphones do not have this feature, you have no choice other than to use your phone's mic for calls. But if your headphones have mic on them, then first of all, go to Settings. After Settings is opened, click on Bluetooth. On the right side of your connected device's name, tap on Settings. Now, all you have to do is enable call option. And done! This is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.